Welcome to the adventures of Susan. Today we are cooking mushroom groundnut stew. Stay tuned. Today we are having mushroom stew, pested mushrooms with groundnut paste, and you begin by cleaning your mushrooms using warm water. Don't burn yourself. In case the water is too hot, feel free to dilute it to room temperature. Wash them a countless number of times until they are not sandy. Keep changing the water until it is clear, and a point to note is that it is still warm water. By the way, when you're cleaning the mushrooms, if you can see this cut tip here, that one that is in the soil, it is what you cut off as you clean it to minimize the amount of soil you will have to wash out. I guess I missed this one, so I am going to cut it off using kitchen scissors. You can easily chop it off. Finally, when our mushrooms are thoroughly cleaned, we are going to put in water for boiling them. Then put on fire, cover and let it boil. The water has reduced, and now it is time to mix groundnuts. Using this very water, we are going to fetch a little as we put in our groundnuts for mixing. Don't mind the little mushrooms that are coming along. After all, we are going to pour in everything back. Pour back everything in the saucepan. Be careful while you mix, the water is hot. Just in case the water scooped is not enough, go back and scoop some little more. After mixing it, we can then pour in the saucepan, everything in the saucepan, and stir for it. Pick some more soup and put in the mixing container to remove everything. It is too thick. In case it is too thick, we are going to add in some little water, preferably warm water, and we stir. Now that is a perfect. Keep stirring while it cooks to avoid it getting stuck under. Right now we add in our tomatoes. And by the way, before I forget to mention, remember to reduce the heat to avoid it getting burnt. And also slice in an onion. Mix it together and let it cook. When the tomatoes are ready, add in salt to taste. The reason why salt is delayed is because it is going to increase on the thickness of the stew. So it has to go in a bit last, that even if it gets too thick, We are not going to keep it there for long. So right now we add in salt and mix. We let the salt cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, and our mushroom peanut stew is ready to be served. You can eat it with matoke, you can eat it with sweet potatoes or cassava. You have reached the end of this video. Thanks for tuning in. I would like to also let you know that we have new content every Tuesday and Friday. In case you haven't subscribed yet, this is the time to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you don't miss out every time there is a new upload. Bye bye.